everyone, welcome back to a brand new video of GetAssist.net where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials, and in today's video I will guide you how you can easily block anyone on Snapchat. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so first of all you just have to open the Snapchat app, and then you have to tap your profile icon that is given at the top left corner of the screen. Now here, if you will scroll down, you will see the friends section. So you just have to go to my friends, and there you will see the list of all your friends on Snapchat. Now if you want to block any of your friend on Snapchat, you just have to long press on their name, and this will give you a few options. From here you just have to tap more, and again you will get a few more options, out of which the second option says block. All right, so using that you can easily block any of your friend that you want. Just tap block and they will again confirm that are you sure you want to block this person. So simply tap block, and as you can see, their name got removed from my friends list. All right, so that's how you can easily block anyone on Snapchat, and they will not be able to contact you. All right, so that way they can easily get to know that you have blocked them on Snapchat. They will also get removed from your my friends list. All right, so that's how you can block anyone on Snapchat. If you have any doubts, queries, feedback or suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.